You can meditate for 10 minutes and spend most of those 10 minutes thinking about work, dinner, or something awkward you said 3 years ago. You can also practice mindfulness while washing dishes. Mindfulness and meditation are connected, but they are not exactly the same. Let's make the difference simple. Mindfulness means noticing what is happening right now. Not what happened yesterday. Not what might happen tomorrow. What is happening in your body, your mind, and around you in this moment? For example, imagine you are drinking coffee. Your body is sitting at the table, but your mind is already at work. You are checking your phone, planning the day, and replaying yesterday's conversation. The coffee disappears, but you barely taste it. Mindfulness would mean noticing the warmth of the cup, the smell, the first sip, and perhaps noticing that your mind is rushing ahead. You do not need to force the thoughts to stop. You simply recognize, my mind is planning. And then you return to the experience in front of you. That is mindfulness. It is not about having an empty mind. It is about noticing where your attention is. Now let's talk about meditation. Meditation is something you deliberately set time aside to practice. You may sit for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or longer. You might focus on your breath, notice sounds, scan the body, or observe thoughts. There are many kinds of meditation. Mindfulness meditation is one of them. During mindfulness meditation, you may focus on the breath. Then, after a few seconds, you realize that you are thinking about an email. You notice that attention moved away. And you return to the breath. That moment of noticing and returning is the practice. Meditation is the practice session. Mindfulness is the awareness you are training. Think about learning to drive. During a driving lesson, you deliberately practice steering, checking mirrors, and responding to traffic. Later, you use those skills while driving in everyday life. Meditation works in a similar way. You sit down and practice paying attention. Mindfulness is what you use later when life is actually happening. For example, someone says something that annoys you. Normally, you might react immediately. Your voice changes. You interrupt. You say something you regret. Mindfulness creates a small moment in between. You notice the heat in your face, the tension in your chest, the thought saying, I need to defend myself. That awareness does not guarantee that you will always respond perfectly, but it gives you a better chance of choosing what happens next. Here is another example. You are talking with your partner or sitting with a friend. You care about the person in front of you, but half of your attention is somewhere else. You are thinking about work, or looking at your phone, or preparing what you want to say next. Mindfulness means noticing that you are physically there, but mentally elsewhere. Then gently coming back to the person in front of you. You can practice mindfulness while walking, while eating, while listening, while waiting in a queue, even while feeling anxious or frustrated. Meditation usually has a beginning and an end. You choose a time, sit down and practice. Mindfulness can happen during any part of your day, but they support each other. Without formal practice, it can be difficult to remember mindfulness when you are stressed. Meditation gives you a quieter place to practice noticing. Then, when the difficult moment arrives, the skill feels more familiar. It is also important to understand that meditation is not always mindfulness meditation. Some meditation practices use repeated words, visualization, prayer, or deep concentration. So meditation is a broad category. Mindfulness meditation is one type within it. And mindfulness itself is not limited to meditation. You do not need to choose between them. Meditation can help you develop mindfulness. And mindfulness helps you carry the benefits of that practice into ordinary life. So, where should a beginner start? Start very simply. Sit comfortably. Notice one natural breath. Your attention will probably wander. That is normal. When you notice it, come back. You are not failing when the mind wanders. The moment you realize it wandered is a moment of awareness. That is where mindfulness begins. You do not need special clothes. You do not need a completely silent room. And you do not need to become calm before you begin. You only need to notice what is happening now. Meditation is the time you set aside to practice. Mindfulness is the way you learn to meet the rest of your life. To begin practicing, start with day 1 of the free 28-day Guided Mindfulness series on this channel. Begin with one breath. Then learn to bring that awareness into one ordinary moment at a time.